Hello and welcome to DailyBytes with your host Mr. Bytes, and today we'll be unboxing a Amazon Basics USB, which is a 2.0 USB with 4 ports. It only costs £5.50 or €7 or $8. So that said, let's begin and unbox this one. If I can do it with fingers, I'm going to say no. Got a pen. I should really use a knife. Wow. I'll destroy this box. And this pen. So there we have it. Right in the middle of the box. So you have 3 USBs that side and 1 that side. This is a great idea if your laptop or PC only has 2 or 3 USBs and you like to extend it. As that's the problem with my laptop, it has 2 USBs and I would like to extend it. So I'm going to plug a webcam in as well as some speakers, which will be unboxing soon. I'll be testing this to see how responsive it is in my next video. So please like and subscribe for more. This has been Mr. Bytes on DailyBytes. Peace.